everyone, I'm Pallavi Iyengar. Let's make an exciting snack of cheesy cauliflower breadsticks. So come, let's get started. So it's going to be a cheesy snack. So we start off with some cheese. So this much should be enough. We add some cauliflower. So what I've done here is I've just, washed the cauliflower, cut it into florets, and I've processed it in a food processor. So that goes in. And to this, let's add some finely chopped garlic and a pinch of dried mixed herbs. And of course some salt and some freshly crushed black peppercorns. Now to add binding to the entire mixture, we'll add some eggs. So whenever you're baking anything, it's very, very crucial that you preheat the oven first and then you start making the mixture. I've already preheated the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. And now everything has gone inside the bowl. All we have to do now is just mix it thoroughly. Take the eggs and now we start mixing. So as you can see, everything has come together beautifully. What I've done is I've taken a silicone mold here. Now we just pour this mixture into the mold. Like I said, it's a very easy recipe. Everything you have to do is in one bowl, mix it, and then you're good to go. Now we're just going to spread this evenly so that it bakes properly from all the corners. So this is done. As you can see, it's very important to spread it evenly so that it bakes thoroughly. All we're going to do is just tap it like a few times. Okay, so now this is done. All we have to do is put this in the preheated oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, but keep an eye on it. Once it starts to become golden brown and slightly crisp, that's when you take it out and then we cut it into breadsticks. So this is baked beautifully. The cheese has melted and you can also see the golden crust on top. What I've done is I've allowed it to cool down to room temperature so that it's easy for me to handle it. Now all we have to do now is gently demold it. Because I'm using a silicone, it's easy to demold it. Okay, looking good. Now we're just going to flip it. Now we'll cut it into breadsticks. You can cut them as thick or as thin you would like. And there you go. A nice piece of cheesy cauliflower breadstick. Do try out this recipe and make your snack time exciting.